Welcome to In the Garage, where we take really difficult installs and really dumb them down for you guys. Today, do you want your simple, old-looking motorcycle with its stupid seat to look like this? Today, we'll show you how. Let's roll that intro. Shut up, I'm trying to film! Studios. Roll the intro. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to take off this seat and replace it with another one. I don't recommend this for new installers. This is very, very difficult. So, first thing first, you gotta secure your bike. Let me show you how I do mine. This is what I use to secure my motorcycle. I call it a jiffy stand. I suggest everyone gets one of these because look at this. It is rock solid. It is not moving. Whew, it was a lot of work to get this on its stand. I think we've earned this. Watery beer. So go ahead and...
Now I'm a man who's known for his pleasures. These two I train, and this one I drink. Light beer from Miller. It's got a third less calories than their regular beer.
What are you doing? I'm not monetized yet. Get out of my video. Tell you start gaining 100 subscribers, they just want to advertise all over your channel. Not this channel, not yet anyway. All right, this is the tough part. You see this bolt right here? Come here, come zoom in here. This bolt is going to be your maker. It's going to be so hard to get this guy out. But once you do, you're halfway home. So let's see if this works. Okay, wow, that was really in there. They had so much Loctite on this thing. Yeah, not really, but okay, wow, that thing was really in there. I had to really work to get that out. I think it's time for another beer. Oh, yeah. Whew. Now that we're 2 beers in on this 5-minute install, let's get to the next step. Next step is we have to take this seat off. Now you gotta kind of get a little frisky with your motorcycle. You gotta get up next to her and give her a good old little yank. And it should come free just like that. Now, what do we do now? I just don't know. Look at all this wiring. What do we do with all the wiring? Hell if I know. Putting this seat back up on the wall gets a piece of crap. All right, here's what we're installing today on the Dyna. Saddlemen step-up seat. See how it has this? This is called the step, and this is the up. This is where your lady goes. This is where you go. Now, I feel like I should have another beer, but I'm trying to cut back. So let's see if we can at least get this installed first. They give you this little donut-looking guy. Ooh, donuts, those sound good. Yeah, donuts. Anyway, donuts. So you can put that right here so you don't scratch up your paint because this guy tends to bounce up and down a little bit, you know. So This one, you know, I can get kind of friendly with your motorcycle again. And gonna have to work it until she lines up just right. Oh, it went in. So, I don't know about you, but how was the workout? Yeah, time for a beer. Oh man, it's only 8 a.m. It's way too early to be filming. Let's see here. I lost my next part. Be right back. All right, found what we were looking for, that new seat screw. So again, we're gonna push it down tight, and this time we're just going to spin it in place. Look at that. Doesn't she just look pretty? As you can see, this was a 3.5 beer job, start to finish. Now, go ahead and sober up, hop on, and go for a ride. We'll see you on the next episode.